Welcome to our channel How to Hub. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to plan and take a memorable vacation. Whether you're dreaming of a relaxing beach getaway or an adventurous mountain trek, proper planning is the key to a successful and unforgettable trip. In this video, we'll share practical tips and strategies to help you plan your vacation and make lasting memories. Let's get started. Step 1. Determine your vacation goals and preferences. Before you start planning your vacation, take some time to determine your goals and preferences. Define your objectives. Decide whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, cultural exploration, or a combination of these. Consider what activities and experiences align with your interests. Set a budget. Determine your budget for transportation, accommodation, meals, activities, and souvenirs. This will help you narrow down your options and make informed decisions. Step 2. Research and choose a destination. Choosing the right destination is crucial for a memorable vacation. Explore destinations. Research different countries, cities, and regions that align with your goals and preferences. Consider factors like weather, attractions, safety, and cultural experiences. Read travel guides and reviews. Consult travel guides, online resources, and reviews from other travelers to gather valuable insights and recommendations. Step 3. Plan your itinerary and activities. Crafting a well-rounded itinerary will ensure you make the most of your vacation. Prioritize must-see attractions. Identify the key attractions, landmarks, and activities you don't want to miss. Allocate enough time for each, considering travel time and any ticket reservations required. Allow for flexibility. Strike a balance between structured activities and free time. Leave room for spontaneity, exploration, and relaxation. Step 4. Book accommodation and transportation. Booking the right accommodation and transportation options is essential for a smooth and enjoyable trip. Choose suitable accommodation. Consider factors such as location, amenities, price, and reviews when selecting accommodation. Evaluate options like hotels, vacation rentals, hostels, or camping sites. Arrange transportation. Determine the most convenient and cost-effective mode of transportation for your destination. This could include flights, trains, rental cars, or public transportation. Step 5. Pack smart and prepare essential documents. Packing efficiently and organizing necessary documents will ensure a stress-free vacation. Make a packing list. Create a comprehensive packing list based on the destination, activities, and weather. Pack versatile clothing, essential toiletries, electronics, and any specific items needed for your chosen activities. Organize travel documents. Gather and organize important documents such as passports, visas, identification cards, travel insurance, and reservation confirmations. Step 6. Capture and preserve memories. Don't forget to capture and preserve the precious memories of your vacation. Take photos and videos. Bring a camera or use your smartphone to capture the beautiful moments and scenery during your trip. Document experiences, landmarks, and the people you meet along the way. Keep a travel journal. Write down your thoughts, experiences, and reflections in a travel journal. Include interesting encounters, new foods tried, and noteworthy events to revisit later. By following these steps, you'll be well prepared to plan and take a memorable vacation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. We hope you have an incredible and unforgettable vacation. See you in the next video.